guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a perfect tea time snack, but quite frankly you can have this whenever you want. In fact, you can have this if you run out of breakfast options as well. So let's see what we'll need to make some cheesy bread rolls. So let's start by making the stuffing that we would need to make the bread rolls. Here I've taken 3 boiled potatoes and I've cut them into halves. We will now need to mash these potatoes. We need to mash the potatoes well to a smooth consistency and remove any lumps. Now to this we'll add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and 1 green chili. 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander for that freshness. 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. If you don't have chili flakes, you can always use red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder. You can add salt as per your taste. And finally we add the cheese. I'm using a combination of grated processed cheese and mozzarella cheese. Give this all a good mix. If you're comfortable, please use your hands and mix all of this in together. And that's it, our stuffing is ready. We will now shape these into these croquette shapes. This is the shape you're looking for so that you can easily fit this into the bread. Continue shaping the entire mixture into these croquette shapes. Our croquettes are ready, so now we will start stuffing these into the bread. So now we are going to take our bread slices and we are going to trim off the edges. Trim these thin so you have more surface area on your bread. Don't throw the cut portion away. You can always put this in a mixer and grind them and make breadcrumbs. We will now flatten our bread so there's more surface area on the bread, and also they are thin enough so that they can cook quickly. We'll now apply a little water on the edges so that we can seal the mixture. We'll now add the croquette to the bread and just give this a roll. I'm now brushing a little water to the sides so I can seal it from the sides as well. You need to ensure that you seal all the sides of the bread. Seal all the sides well so that the bread doesn't open when you're cooking it. Follow this process for all your breads and you're good to go. Now that our bread is stuffed and sealed, we need to deep fry them. Heat some oil on a medium flame, and once the oil is hot, we will drop in the bread. Your flame needs to be medium. Too hot and the bread will burn. Too low and the oil will get absorbed in the bread. This does not take long to cook, just 30 seconds on each side. After about 30 seconds, we'll flip over the bread so that the other side can cook well. It's been a minute since we've been frying the bread, and as you see, the bread has got a nice golden crispy texture. Take this off on an absorbent paper or tissues. This light brown color is what you're looking for. Do not overcook it or it'll burn. And that's it. Our cheesy bread rolls are ready. Serve these hot with some ketchup or some sweet chili sauce. I hope you try this recipe, and when you do, please leave a comment. If you liked the video, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.